Oh, look.
It's Ronald and Alex and Juliet and me. We are here at the Cameron Valley Tea Plantation. The four of us together forever.
Just on day 3.
And we are on day 3 only, but we had so many places visited already because of these two culprits. And Cameron Valley. Look at that. So lahat yan, plantation ng mga ng mga tsaa. Yan, yan. So kaya pala masarap ang mga tea dito sa Malaysia. Diyan yung tatanim ng tea. No, that's it. Puro tsaa.
Oh, there? What's there?
At ang pag, grabe, andito ang lamig. Sobra. Surround by the people.
Picture.